Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 27 how to download multiple videos from one post on Instagram using the application called GRIDS for Instagram using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So the first thing we need to do is go all the way down to the dock and click on the application itself called GRIDS. Go to the profile, navigate to the post that you wish to download that has multiple videos. If we're only trying to download a single video, what we will do is right click and save the video, and then the video itself will save to the desktop. But we are now trying to download 3 videos at the same time. Click the post, go to the 3 dots, save the video. So that's video 1. Next video, 3 dots, save the video. Go to the 3rd video, 3 dots, save the video. On the desktop, video 1, video 2, and video 3. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.